That is a challenge.
Also the other one is coming. They're ignoring them.
That one on the right fancies his chances with the bird. I think he's crouched right now.
And he's going to. Wow.
You fool.
I think we miss it, so it's better we pray.